Hello Slaters! Welcome back to your life skills class. Children, before we start our class, I have a question for you all. If your video interaction class is at 10:30 a.m., can you tell me how would you manage your time and prioritize your work to attend the class on time? Yes, you would wake up between 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. and then brush up your teeth and fresh up by 9 a.m. and then you have your breakfast by 10 a.m. Finally, you will be ready with all stationery, books and other things which are required for your video call by 10:30 a.m. Now, children, you all are following a process by prioritizing your work. This is called as punctuality. Children, now you all are wondering, what do you mean by punctuality, right? Let me explain. Punctuality means being able to complete the required task before or at a given time. In simple words, it means being on time and not being late. Children, to understand more about punctuality, let us all watch a small video. Are you all excited? Yes, here goes the video.
Manu and Bose were friends. Manu and Bose were equal in their performance, may it be studies or sports.
Bose, it's time for school. Are you coming or not?
2 minutes. I will come. Just wearing my shoes.
Manu was punctual and regular in all his work, but Bose was bit lazy guy and used to keep things postponing.
Bose, you saw the notice board? There is a competition to be held by next week. You know the topic?
I haven't seen the notice board. Tell me what the topic is.
It's about cricket. And you know what the prize is for the winner? A cricket gear.
What? A cricket gear? Oh, I will take part in this competition.
Me too. We have to write a 2-page essay on the game cricket and submit it by Monday, the next week.
Oh, Monday. We have still 5 days for that. A lot of time.
But we need to collect the articles. Let's go to the library tomorrow.
The next day,
Bose, come, let's go to the library.
No, I am going to play. Saturday is holiday. I will go to library on that day. You carry on.
Manu wrote the article on cricket and submitted it on the Friday itself, while Bose planned to submit it on Monday. On Monday,
Bose, come on, it's getting late for school.
Manu, you carry on. I will be little late to school.
so Manu left to school. Bose reached the school late by half an hour. He rushed to his teacher to submit his article.
Keep it on my table and go to your class.
In the evening,
Bose, come here. I cannot accept your article because you were late in the submission. But to be honest, your article was wonderful, better than Manu's. Manu, you have won the first prize. Bose, if you would have submitted it earlier, then definitely you would have won the prize.
Sorry, teacher.
At least now you can correct yourself. Be punctual and do things regularly.
Do not worry, Bose. At least from now, do not keep things for later. I will share my prize with you. Come, let's go now.
from that day, Bose was very punctual. This made his parents and teachers happy.
Children, with the video, we all have understood that punctuality is a key to get success in life. A punctual and disciplined student always gets respect and liked by everyone in the school. Slaters, now I'm sure you all want to be punctual, right? But thinking, how can I be punctual? Let me help you with few principles that needs to be followed to be punctual. First one is planning. You have to set a goal. Make a list of things to do. List only 3 to 5 things in a day. Second one, prioritizing. You have to put important things first. Then arrange simple things on the top and difficult things at the bottom. Third one, preparing. Do a quick mental recall. Ask yourself, is everything ready? Did I forget something? Then avoid last minute preparations. Slaters, the successful person knows the value of time as well as how to use time in his or her life. For the same, I would like to share a real-time example of Mahatma Gandhi about his punctuality. He is a hardcore example for his punctuality, as he rightly suits for the saying, all the great men have been leading a very highly punctual life. One day, the organizers said to Gandhiji that they would send a four-wheeler to pick him up on the meeting day. The meeting day has arrived. Gandhiji saw his watch. He had started the meeting at 5 p.m. He waited for the four-wheeler till 4:30 p.m. When he came to know that no vehicle is reaching him, he took his old bicycle and reached the meeting place on time. And sharp at 5 p.m., he began to start his speech. Organizers sent the four-wheeler at 5 p.m. When they came to know that Gandhiji had already started the meeting, they were badly ashamed. At the end of the meeting, they approached Gandhiji with heart to seek excuse and said, "We are extremely sorry, Bapu. We were late by a few minutes." Gandhiji smiled and said, "We should always respect time because each and every moment is valuable. We should not waste our time. So, always try to maintain speed and always remain punctual in future. If you fail to remain punctual, all of us not only harm ourselves but also badly upset the plans of others. So, everyone should develop this supreme habit of being punctual, as it is not only being on time, it's basically about respecting your and others' time. Hence, Slaters, punctuality is one of the best secret of all the successful in the world. Hope you all have understood the children. Thank you, Slaters.